In this video, I will show you how to reset a Frigidaire dishwasher. At first, locate the cancel button on the far right side of the control panel. Press and hold it for at least 3 seconds until the light display disappears or changes. This is the quickest way to reset your dishwasher without disconnecting the power. If you just finished a cycle, the green clean indicator light may stay on even after opening the door. Keep the dishwasher off for 5 minutes. After waiting, press the start button for 1 to 2 seconds to turn it back on. If the reset is successful, the error code should disappear. The start button is usually located on the upper half of the cancel button or the right side of the control panel. If turning the dishwasher off doesn't work, find the circuit breaker powering the dishwasher. Switch it off for 5 minutes to allow the dishwasher to recalibrate. If you are unsure where the circuit breaker is, check your home schematics. After 5 minutes, switch the circuit breaker on. Check the display panel. If there are no error codes, proceed to the next step. Run a test load with a few plastic or non-valuable dishes on a rinse-only cycle. If everything runs smoothly, your Frigidaire dishwasher is now reset and ready to use. That's it. Now you know how to reset your Frigidaire dishwasher easily. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.